What's up, YouTube? This is Chris with the Patriot RC channel. So the C14, I finally got finished up last night. I still need to button up a few things and put all the plastic back on, but we did get the metal end links installed. The shocks were installed. You see here, something's weird. So I had to stay with the plastic on this side because the gear change servo, the metal links were hitting and it would not change gears and all that. So they were all but impossible to bend and try and shape without snapping threads on it. So I just stopped and put the plastics back on. So those two on that side are plastic still. They're not bad. I mentioned I did a review video on this for Amazon. So when you get this kit, these screw heads pop right through. So I went to Lowe's and got some, let me grab them here real quick, little brass washers. These are number 4 brass washers. Aisle 16 at my local Lowe's, where all the hardware is. And so we had to put the brass on, then you can put the screw in, and everything I did, if I have a finger, Loctited. Everything's been Loctited because it's metal on metal and I don't trust them. So I still need to do some housekeeping here to get that staying in place, get that all zip tied up where it belongs. But it's Sunday, the wife is shopping. Let me get that reattached up there. So we're going to go outside and do just a quick run, 2-speed transmission. Oh, the other big thing, the whole thing the video is about, portal axles installed yesterday as well. And if you look on the front there, I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up, but right where my thumb is, it says JJRC. So, not sure whether name brand these are. The arm link that comes with these, I kept the plastic ones on. I've got the metal ones I'm going to put back on later. The shocks lifted it tremendous. And so I got the bump steer back, which is nowhere near as bad as it was. I bent this radically last night to get it to not bump steer as much. That really limited the steering because of the height. I'm going to get the metal servo upgrade, or do the servo mount on top of the axle, but it really limits the amount you can travel. I mean, the shocks are bottomed out, so, and there's maybe another 1/8 of an inch I could gain if I did that. I might not, but there's really nothing else on here I'd like to replace. We got the 370 motor, we got the 2-speed gearbox, we got the servo, we got the metal end links, portal axles front and back. Yeah, I think she's good to go. The only other thing I want to do eventually is replace the tires. These are the stock, not kit tires. These are the RTR tires. I soaked them in WD-40 for about 3 days, and it did completely transform the tires. They're much softer, quite a bit grippier. I don't know how long it's going to last, but the only bad effect that happened is with the torque that's on here, it will spin these tires right off the rim. So I did super glue them on there. Not a big deal because you can buy a whole other set of tires with rims, $12, $13. So I'm going to go with the Gen 3s next, I think, and go from there. But I'm going to get this baby back together. We're going to go outside and have a trial run on my course just for a couple seconds. This is the battery box cover I made, and then I moved this forwards so when you install this, that's locked in place. So I'm going to try one-handedly. I'm going to turn on my controller real quick, and then I'm going to bring 2 batteries out with me. Let's get the camera angle here for a second. Alright, the truck's plugged in. Alright, I'm going to pause this and get everything buttoned up, and I'll meet you outside. Okay, forgive the noise. We're outside. Everybody's mowing their grass today. It's gorgeous. It's finally under 99% humidity. And let's go first gear and show you the slow crawl this thing will do now. Now I do have lead weights in the wheels. That's full speed. Let's get a little closer here. And again, I apologize for not getting crazy close-up shots, but I am partially disabled and some of this shit's just hard to do for me. Oh, and this trench here is about a foot deep. So. And this spot is rough for almost every truck I have. So the gear reduction is nice. I feel like some better traction would be very beneficial. Let's try this going up the side here so we can not roll it. We rolled it anyway. Alright, well, let's get it on some flat ground and go from there. Yeah, I'm really happy with the truck now. I think there's really nothing else I want to do. I do have some homemade rust inside I would like to paint the body with. And we'll talk about that later for some scale paint. But there was a lot this would not crawl before. This back right up right here, like some of these stones here in the way, it would high center on, or not high center on, but the pumpkin would catch every time. So let's try that. Oh yeah, no problem. All right, switch her out. There's second gear. Successfully flipped it again. Let's see what we get out from the tires. Real speed here. Oh, beautiful. Let's go back in there. Prompt to roll it. Let's try it again. Nope. What was that angle I had there? Let's try that. Very nice, very nice. That was a very steep angle. There's that lead wheel weights for you right there. And the weights are actually on the inside, outside of the rim. That did very nicely. Alright, I'm going to keep this video under 10 minutes here. But I really, really enjoyed this truck. I've got my c14 on eBay currently. I'm going to get rid of it. And as I roll this, buy some more upgrades for other trucks, I believe. Pause it real quick and be right back. Okay, so final thoughts on this. In love with the truck. The mod I did here, there's no screw securing this at all. It's just the tire. You saw it roll over a few times. Absolutely loving it so far. The portals were a great addition. I do love the gear reduction. You saw it get out of that very, very steep hill there. I'm going to wash this real quick because I got to get it all back together today. The rest. Oh, I will give you a quick shot of that. Look at that. Nice top crust on it. You can crumble it and then just attach it to parts of your body where you want it. Anyway, love it. The portals needed work when I got them. Marine greased everything, inside here, that the hubs where they meet, there's the wheel weights. You can see them there on the inside of the rim there. The only letdown here so far has been, if this was just a single speed transmission, it would have bolted right on and everything would have been fantastic. But being it's got the gearbox here, the servo switch got in the way, and we're past 10 minutes, so I'm gonna get off here, and I'm gonna shoot a video on that scale rest here in a little bit. And you guys have any questions, let me know. Ask away. Tips, tricks you guys might have on these trucks. Like I said, I don't know if there's anything else I want to do to it. I am going to age it quite a bit, I think. I do enjoy the nice, this is the same color as my MR2 outside. It's actually paint from that car. And then I want to close with, that wasn't a fart, that was my chair. But yeah, so this is an aquarium light that I've got set up over my work table. How does that look? But yeah, so you guys have a good one. Enjoy your Sunday. Get out there and run your RCs. Have some fun. See ya.